Here they come. Off stride, Stormwinds. Stormwinds on a break. Trotters are sent on their way. Valiant Cougar going for the lead. My favorite Kerr left well. Now driving up from the outside. Lofty Budapest down along the inside. They're battling 6-7 across the track as they move around the first turn. Valiant Cougar leads. Lofty drives up 3 wide, second. Then towards the inside, Budapest third. Fox Valley Claus 3 wide, now 4 wide, fourth. Driving between horses, lose game and match. My favorite Kerr now settles in 6th and 7th position. Shark Bite Mike dropping in 8th as Heartland Honey far back trailing. Stormwinds. They went by the quarter, 30 seconds flat. They've trotted 3/8 of a mile, and Fox Valley Claus now settles on top. It's Fox Valley Claus the leader. In second, Lofty racing in third. Valiant Cougar hung out there fourth. Lose game and match. Budapest no place to go. Fifth, My Favorite Kerr getting set to pull from sixth. Shark Bite Mike is next, followed by Heartland Honey. Far back Stormwinds halfway home, 59 and 3. They move around the turn. Your new leader now is Lofty. It's Lofty with the lead, opening up by 4 lengths. Fox Valley Claus now second. Valiant Cougar third. Lose game and match has been parked from the start. 3 wide. Here comes Shark Bite Mike. Right behind him, 3 wide. Heartland Honey. Budapest next. My Favorite Kerr didn't pull, got shuffled back. Far back, Stormwinds 3/4, 129 and 2. In the stretch, Lofty leads by 4. Shark Bite Mike now closing ground second. And then on the far outside, here comes Heartland Honey. It's Lofty getting leg weary. Shark Bite Mike now rolling on by. And Shark Bite Mike takes the lead, a 16th out. Lofty trying to fight back. Budapest, and on the outside, Heartland Honey. Shark Bite Mike won it. It's going to be tight for second. Heartland Honey over Lofty. My Favorite Kerr came on to be fourth. In tonight's 6th race, number 6, Shark Bite Mike finished first. It's a photograph for second. Please hold all tickets. The results are official. Time for the mile, 2 minutes and 1/5. Photograph shows 7, Heartland Honey second. 5, Lofty was third. 4, My Favorite Kerr fourth. Numbers on the board, 6, 7, 5, 4. Returning the unofficial winner, 6, Shark Bite Mike. Shark Bite Mike, owned by Lawrence Crawford, trained by Mike Brink, driven to victory by Mike Osting. Shark Bite Mike, an Illinois-bred 3-year-old gelding by Cassis, out of the Muscles Yankee mare Foxy and Diamonds.